Hey, teka, bago ka mag-scroll up, alam mo ba na pwede kang kumita, gumanda at maging healthy habang ikaw nagkakape? Yes, you heard it right. All you need to do is to take this Seacrest Caramel Macchiato na ginamitan po yan ng Bloody Rock. Isang uri po yan ng seaweeds na kung saan napaka-healthy. It really helps para sa mga may relief sa bloating and cramps, lalo na sa may mga digestive discomfort. And it also improves skin and heart health and supports healthy digestion para mas regular na bowel movement.